We are going to be talking to you about Allplan Bridge, which is our new parametric bridge modeling solution. What makes it different? Quite simply, it uses the concept of parametric design principles to model a bridge. There are many solutions in the marketplace today that purport to do this, but they all end up breaking down somewhere in the design process. And keyword in all of this is parametric. It's the ability to do change rapidly using input. The first thing that we want to do is define a parametric axis. So this is in two parts. We define the plan view, as you see here, which can be made up of curves, spirals, and straights in any combination. We combine that with a profile 2D elevation of the road or of the alignment's long section. Now again, these are made up of straights and vertical curves. Can be defined in various ways to conform to local standards around the world as well. And together these combine to create a 3D axis. So Allplan Bridge can define the parametric sections using variables, and these can be flexed again using the control lines that are in, primarily to define things like heights and thicknesses and constant thicknesses. We've seen the axes and we've seen the main girder section placed on the axes, and with a start position and an end position. Again, as you can see there, this section flexing along the path. And then with intermediate steps, we can define the actual bridge solid itself. So you can see here that we're looking to define variations of depth along the chainage of the bridge at key chainages. And what we're able to do here is control the depth of section at various chainages for, let's say, for instance, at 30 meters in, at 90 meters in, and so on and so forth, defining what the depth is and what the transition is between one depth to another depth. So that could be a linear, parabolic. In summary, what else can we do in Allplan? So obviously 3D detailing of reinforcement and tendons. We can use the clash detection as well therein. We've also got the ability to go out to other sister products such as Celebri, but primarily Allplan engineering is going to be used for documentation, definitely, and probably quantity takeoff.